Everything happens for the first time in life, but when it happens, that's something which you will always remember in your life. First bike, first car, first salary. I have someone who is gonna get her first salary. Hey, hi Rituja.
Hi sir.
How are you doing today?
Doing well. How are you sir?
Yeah, I am doing good, thank you. Where do you think that this MZOS has helped you achieving this career and the success?
Actually, MZOS had helped me to become a quick learner through training sessions and grooming sessions. That makes me so confident so that I can happily work with the Atos, and I am so thankful to MZOS, and I want to recommend to the job seekers for getting place early.
Alright, so you're working in Atos as a software engineer.
Yes.
Alright, so with here I would like to wish you all the very best for your bright future. Alright, so this was Rituja.